In today's video, I will teach you how to add a watermark in Lightroom. Let's get started. First, select the photos that you want to export. Then go to File, then Export, or press Ctrl-Shift-E or Command-Shift-E on your keyboard. In the Export dialog box, scroll down to the watermarking section. Then check the box next to Watermark, then click Edit Watermarks. Then the Watermark Editor window will appear, and here you can customize your watermark. For a text watermark, select the text from the options. Then type your watermark text in the field provided. Then adjust the font, size, color, style, and alignment using the tools on the right. And for graphic watermark, select Graphic to upload an image file. And you can use the opacity slider to control transparency. To adjust the position, choose where the watermark will appear, then use the anchor options and side sliders to fine-tune. And once you're satisfied, you can click Save. Then name your watermark preset for future use. In the Export dialog box, select your Save Watermark preset from the drop-down menu under the watermarking. Then complete the export process by clicking Export. By following these steps, you can protect and brand your images with a professional-looking watermark. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.